Hi everyone. So many of you have been facing the volume issue with the volume. Well, the initial lot there was a problem with the volume. Fortunately, this is not a hardware issue. This is a software issue which can easily be solved by downloading a couple of apps. So I've got two tablets, both are Wammy, two Wammies, right? And this is how we solve it. It's pretty simple. So okay, what I'll demonstrate is this, right? So I'm gonna put on Angry Birds, so to check the volume, right? And so this one does not have the applications on. As you can see, the volume is very low. It's very low. How do you solve it? It's very simple to solve. Okay, this is how we solve it. What you do is you download two applications, which is the sound booster and the equalizer, right? After you download it from the Google Play Store, so there's a Google Play Store right yeah, so right here there's a Google Play Store. From the Google Play Store, just search for sound booster and equalizer. So there are two applications. After you download it, just click on sound booster and you say enable sound boost and you save it, and then you go back. In equalizer, just go into equalizer, right? You swipe. So basically it explains how to use the equalizer. You continue, and what you do is you enhance all of this and you place, so all these settings have to be enhanced, make it full, and that's about it. Then you save them. Also another thing you need to do, and that's about it, and you're done. What you also need to do is then go into settings, go into sound, go into volumes, increase the volume to full in all, go into, after that you need to go into music effects and you need to choose equalizer and okay, we are gonna do this for all the devices from now onwards. So this was only the issue with the first 100. Okay, so let me see Angry Birds on this. Increase the volume for. As you can see, the volume is significantly higher. As soon as I take it in my hands. If you want to see it, I can do it again. And let's compare the two. This is Angry Birds on the one which does not have the applications. So see, it's really poor. Sound volume, it's very poor. So it is just a software issue which easily can be solved. This one, it's almost 50% better. There you go. Okay, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.